The silly hiccups. Today, let's have our friends play red light, green light.
How do you play?
The players can move when the leader says green light. And when the leader says red light, the players have to stop and stand completely still.
Oh, green light means go, and red light means stop.
And the first player to make it to the leader wins.
Can Ava, Riko, and Teo play red light, green light?
That really sounds like fun.
Green light, red light.
Who do you think will win?
Let's wait and see.
Green light.
Red light.
Yeah! I won!
I lost again?
Oh, Teo, you'll get better at this game, I promise.
Maybe we can add another color. If you say yellow light, we nap.
That sounds like a funny game.
If the winner is the first one to fall asleep, you'd always win, Teo. Okay, my turn. Green light. Orange carrot.
What do you mean, orange carrot? Aren't you supposed to say red light?
Oops, I guess I'm hungry.
Oh, sorry.
Green light. Red light. You moved.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I saw you.
No. I only moved because of these hiccups.
I know just the thing to cure the hiccups. Listen.
Who was that? Who just tried to scare the hiccups out of me?
What?
Was it you, Teo?
No, it wasn't me. It was Riko who did it. Well, did your hiccups stop?
Oh, now that you mention it, I think they did stop.
Right. Now we can play the game. Green light. And red light. Ava, your hiccups are back. What else can we do to stop them?
I have no idea.
Well, I have an idea my cousin the polar bear told me. It just might work. But we'll need a bowl of water.
A bowl of water? What's that for?
My grandma says that if you drink water when you're upside down, your hiccups will go away.
That sounds kind of silly, but perfect for our story. Let's have the squirrels bring them some water.
All you have to do is drink this water when you're upside down.
When she's upside down? But how's she gonna do that?
I can't drink the water if I'm like this.
But that's the only way it'll work. If you're upside down.
Let's turn Ava in the background upside down.
That's a great idea. Here we go.
Yeah.
I don't feel so good like this. Uh-oh. We better turn it back.
Right. Here we go.
I don't have the hiccups anymore. Thank you, Teo. You're the greatest.
Hey, what about me?
Uh-oh, here we go again. Start with several sheets of colored paper.
And scissors.
Cut out 2 circles like this and put them aside.
Tear and cut these shapes.
And place them on the circles.
Take another piece of paper and cut out a shape like this.
Cut this shape from another piece of paper.
Now, put all the pieces together.
It's a paper doll.
One side has a dress.
And the other side has pants.
It's 2 dolls in one. It's a